Customized cleaning, tailoring services for different spaces. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by daily tasks and wished for more time for what truly matters? Does the frustration of trying to keep your space tidy only to have everything revert to chaos sound familiar? And what about those forgotten corners that seem to accumulate dust and clutter no matter how hard you try? So, how many cleaning products have you tried only to discover that none live up to their promises? Have you felt exhausted searching for effective solutions that fit seamlessly into your busy daily life? Well, here at Comfy Maids, we understand your challenges. What if we told you there's a different approach, one that will transform the way you view cleaning and free up time for what you love most? Imagine a home where every corner sparkles, where each space is tailored to your needs and lifestyle. We're not just here to clean, we're here to transform how you experience life at home. Ready to reclaim time and enjoy a spotless home? Join the Comfy Maids revolution. Visit our website and discover how we can make cleaning a hassle-free experience. Your home deserves the best.